Morning. Right now we are headed. I don't even know where we're headed. When do I ever know what we're doing? But we're still in Tokyo, so let's go. So come along with us. Right now we're checking out of the hotel and going to a different one because we're going to like a different city. So this is our third city and we're gonna probably go back. Yeah, we're going to Kyoto and then we're probably gonna go to another one. Like we're going back to Tokyo, so not like another one, but like we're gonna be in like travel to 3 different, just kind of, yeah. What is up, y'all? I'm back. We just had like an incredible breakfast at Maze, M-A-Z-E. Search it up. It is like, I've seen like a bunch of videos on TikTok about it. Be prepared to wait. It's not like a long wait, maybe like 15 minutes. But I have to say it was worth the wait. I got like a French toast, which is amazing. Fresh, like hot and good. And the salad was amazing. So yeah. And right now, we are headed to get some cheesecake. Where are we? What's the name of the place?
I don't remember.
I think it is. That sounds like a hotel.
It's called
Rico's Namba Main Store. Okay, y'all, we just got some of the cheesecake, and then I also got some Kit Kats. I got the, you know what? Put your guess in the comments what I got, and I will show y'all in a little bit once we find a spot to like rest, to like sit down. What they are, let me just give a hint, they are flavors that you probably would never find in the US unless somebody brings it back here from Japan. So let's just say it's a limited item. We're not limited, but not in USA. So here we have a rice. That's actually good. I like it. Try the cheesecake, it was really good, 9 out of 10. Now we're on the train heading to our next city. And then we had to stop to get some donuts after we got off the train ride. We made it to Kyoto, so here's us just walking around, checking what's the offer. Then we went to a temple. And we went back to the market to get some food. Okay, so I have some chicken skin.
Chicken thigh.
It's good. It has teriyaki sauce on it. This is caviar. Oh, it's seafood. Like an 8 out, like a 7 out of 10. Okay, we also got a shrimp tempura. As you can see, that's the inside. And then it's just filled with shrimp. Like, I've had this a lot at home, so it's like 8 out of 10. I like it, it's really good. Okay, I'm excited for this one. I also got a blue lemonade. That's good. Give it a 10 out of 10. Or 9 out of 10. And then we also have this Wagyu beef. Yeah. Ooh, it's salty. They put a lot of salt on that. But overall though, it's good. I give it again a 9 out of 10. They're like similar. But it is premium Wagyu beef, so it's good. So yeah. And we're also, if I didn't tell you, we're at the market right now with all the food vendors. We found one like everywhere we go, so I think it's like our third, because we've been to like 3 different cities, so yeah. I will see y'all later if I find more food. Because we didn't know, but some of the places are shutting down at 7, which is crazy.